In this video, I'll tell you about work equipment hazards and controls. Every work equipment is associated with two types of hazards, such as mechanical hazards and non-mechanical hazards. The mechanical hazards are contact injury, that is, cuts, shearing, puncturing, scarring; entanglement, nips, that is, body part coming in between two moving parts; traps, impact, projection, ejection, and discharge. The non mechanical hazards are noise and vibration, electricity, chemical, temperature, radiation, and ergonomic and explosion. The common hazards associated with handheld non powered tools, example hammer, which includes flying object from the process such as rock breaking, hammer itself getting detached from loose handle, contact injuries from the sharp tip of the tool, ergonomic related issues due to continuous and repeated use, noise generated from hammering activities. The breakage of tools can cause flying objects and eye injury. Poor competence of the user. In order to ensure safe operation, conduct a risk assessment and identify the hazards associated. Tools and equipment to be operated by competent people only. To be operated in designated area. Tool and equipment to be used for designed purpose only. Follow manufacturer's instruction while using tools and equipment. Inspect the equipment before use and make sure that the handles are fitted intact. Use appropriate PPE such as face shield, hand gloves, head protection, etc. While working at height, handheld tools are to be secured with a lanyard in order to avoid falling of tools. Avoid using the tool continuously and have breaks in between. All handheld tools related incidents are to be reported and investigated. The common hazards associated with bench mounted circular saw includes contact injuries from sharp rotating blades, entanglement on moving part of the machinery, possibilities of nips from rotating wheels, flying objects from the process, noise and vibration related issues, electrocution, ergonomic related issues due to continuous standing and feeding, potential for the fire from the spark while cutting metal pieces, breaking of cutting blades, poor competence of the operator, lack of maintenance, and poor visibility in the operating area. I hope this video was useful for you. Those who are not subscribed my YouTube channel so far, please press the subscribe button below. Thank you.